Oh, his little onion ring coming back at you again with a sick new beat. Oh. Recording, man. Wha-bam! 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 I'm Spooderman! I'm coming for your brand and your man! Oh, I know that bitch wasn't talking. Oh. Motherfuckers snatched my weave!
No, but you need to go see that. Go record that.
This isn't even my final form.
Oh.
And then, like, a black shawl. And that's how you get that work. Back to me. You gotta do it like what we do. Guess the juice. 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 9. Oh, wow.
Hi. If you want to go to the dance, you better scrub that bitch clean.
I'm the only one that will do manly work in this fucking house. I already got it. Look, you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that.
Hi, my name is Eden, and I don't know why I'm whispering, but I just want to say I love you. Well, I might love you. I probably.
I think I could make it through.
Wait, can you continue to swim?
Yeah.
This is all ice.
Say USA, USA, USA. Yo, Eden, can go grab something from grab something. Oh.
Just taking a toaster. Mental breakdown check. I'm Aria. My best friend disappeared, so I moved to Iceland.
Ireland?
I moved to Iceland, and then I met a hot guy at a bar, and I made out with him. Turns out
I'm a big ass person.
I'm a small ass person.
And that's on Chris Hansen. Oh my god, I'm fucking.
oh, you gotta look like that when you cry, man. You look stupid as shit. We having a bomb ass time. Gucci.
Cute.
Cares ever lie, and the way she looked me in the eyes. I'm not afraid to die on to the edge. Hey, best friend, say hi. Oh, hi. Fuck you, sober you. You're a fucking bitch.
You are a bitch.
Cry a
you
lot.
Fucking shut the fuck up, you big crybaby.
Yeah. Shut
Welcome to Disney Channel. I am WWE from John Austin.
Shut up, we're just filming.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Keep going. I can feel my head warping into that shape. I'm a pear. I am a big pear in a pear, and I'm the only pear in the world. Nobody else can compare to me. I won't! No one can compare to me. That's funny, see? Do you ever just... my eyes match my sunburn. Boy best friend!
I'm a best friend.
Yeah.
You have a fat both. A fat gorilla grip ass and gorilla grip pussy. No matter what comes in the area of it is like a black hole and it sucks everything. But with great amount of pleasure.
Who the fuck are you talking about?
God.
Okay.
And you, baby.
Oh, God. Homie G thinks I can walk to the boat launch. Let's see if it's true. Tell me I look like I am. I did it!
Dude, it is. His intestines are everywhere.
Oh, it's so cold. Please hurry.
Okay,
I broke it in my
Eyeshadow
hand.
on acid. That's what I did. I do be showing up to my work looking like this.
Go fucking four.
This guy's name.
And that's why you just relax.
Someone there.
You're too tall. Wait,
Well, that's this guy's name.
You should let me get on your shoulders. There's no room.